Have you ever been sitting in the bath, minding your own business, playing with your rubber duck, when suddenly you pull the plug and realize you have accidentally unleashed a swirling, roaring mini atmospheric disaster right inside your porcelain tub? It starts out innocently enough, just a gentle gurgle, but within seconds the water transforms into a frantic, twisting vortex of doom that looks exactly like a real tornado, ready to suck your bubbles, your toy boats, and maybe even your big toes down into the deep, dark plumbing of the underworld. It is one of the most mysterious and slightly terrifying things that happens in our everyday lives, and yet, nobody ever warns us about the bathroom hurricane.
Curious Kidcast, here we go. Ooh, yeah. Questions poppin', minds will blow. Big ideas, they're taking flight. Let's explore, feel the light.
Welcome back to another mind-melting episode of the Curious Kidcast, the podcast where we tackle the weirdest, wildest, and wackiest mysteries in the universe. And I am your host, Charlie. Today we have an absolutely spectacular question sent in by Morgan from Melbourne. When Morgan pulled the plug in their bath, the bathwater suddenly turned into a spinning whirlpool monster. Morgan wants to know, why does the water in a bathtub swirl like a tornado when you pull the plug? Before we find out if your drain is trying to escape to another dimension, remember to share this episode with your friends, your family, and your pets, and hit that subscribe button. If you have a brain-boggling question of your own that keeps you awake at night, head right over to CuriousKidcast.com and send it my way. When you first lift that rubber plug or turn the little silver lever, the water looks completely calm, almost like it is taking a lazy, sleepy stroll toward the exit. But don't let it fool you, because within a few seconds, the water starts to curve, then it twists, and then, bam, it is spinning faster than a blender making a fruit smoothie. This is not magic, and your local plumber did not accidentally install a tiny hurricane machine inside your pipes, though that would be pretty awesome. It is actually caused by a fundamental law of the universe called the conservation of angular momentum, which is a super fancy science way of saying that spinning things get incredibly fast when they get squeezed into smaller spaces. To understand how this physics superpower works, we have to talk about ice skaters. Picture a professional figure skater starting a spin on the ice. When they begin, they stretch their arms out wide like a giant bird, and they rotate at a pretty normal, steady speed. But the exact microsecond they pull their arms and legs in tight against their chest, something crazy happens. They instantly speed up so much that their face turns into a blurry smudge, and they look like a human spinning top. They do not use any extra muscles to do this, they just shrunk their size, which forces their speed to skyrocket. Your bathwater is the ultimate copycat, because it does the exact same figure skater trick every single time you open the drain. Think about the math here. The water far away from the drain, near the back walls of the tub, starts with a tiny, lazy bit of spin. As gravity pulls that water across the tub and squeezes it into that microscopic 2-inch drain hole, its spinning radius shrinks drastically from feet to fractions of an inch. Because the universe demands that angular momentum must be saved, the water has to accelerate like a rocket ship to compensate for getting so small. By the time that water drop reaches the edge of the plug hole, it is traveling at absolute top speed, turning the calm puddle into a furious, spinning whirlpool. Now, you might be thinking, hold on a minute, Charlie, I did not spin the water before I pulled the plug, so where did that first little bit of spin even come from? Well, the truth is, water is an absolute drama queen, and it never actually stops moving, even when it looks perfectly flat. Even if you sit as quiet as a statue for 10 whole minutes, there are massive, invisible underwater currents rushing all over the place. You leave behind giant rivers of energy from washing your hair, splashing around, searching for the soap, or just wiggling your toes to make mini tidal waves. On top of your own human splashes, the act of pulling the plug itself is a major trigger. When you grab the chain and yank it up, your hand naturally moves slightly to one side, which drags the water and gives it a directional nudge. Plus, bathtubs are never mathematically perfect. They have tiny bumps in the porcelain, microscopic scratches, and your house might even be tilted a tiny bit to the left because of how the floor settled. All these tiny accidental factors act like an invisible steering wheel, forcing the water to slide toward the drain at an angle rather than a straight line. Once that tiny angle happens, the figure skater effect takes over and amplifies it into a full-blown bathroom monster. As the water spins at supersonic speeds right over the drain, it creates that signature hollow funnel shape where you can see straight down into the dark pipes. This happens because of a little thing called centrifugal force, which is the exact same force that squishes you against the car door when your parents take a super sharp turn around a corner, or what keeps water inside a bucket when you spin it upside down over your head. The water near the drain is spinning so fast that it desperately tries to fly outward, away from the center of the circle. It flings itself against the edges of the drain pipe so hard that it literally carves out an empty tunnel of air right down the middle. When that tunnel opens up, the air from your bathroom gets violently sucked down into the empty space, creating that classic loud gurgling sound that sounds exactly like a hungry monster drinking a giant milkshake through a straw. Speaking of tornadoes, did you know that real tornadoes in the sky work almost the exact same way as your bathtub vortex, just upside down? In a storm cloud, hot air rises and starts to spin over a huge area. As that spinning air gets sucked inward into a tight, narrow column stretching down to the ground, it stretches out and accelerates to dangerous speeds, just like the bath water entering the drain. So, you can officially tell your parents that your messy bathroom is actually just an advanced meteorological laboratory. Now, we have to bust the biggest science myth on the planet, which you have definitely heard before. A lot of people believe that because the Earth is spinning, bathtubs always swirl counterclockwise in the Northern Hemisphere, like in America or Europe, and clockwise in the Southern Hemisphere, like where Morgan lives in Australia. This idea comes from a real scientific rule called the Coriolis effect. The Coriolis effect is caused by the Earth's rotation, and it is powerful enough to steer massive things like space satellites, ocean currents, and giant hurricanes spanning hundreds of miles. But guess what? For your household plumbing, this myth is completely 100% fake news. The Earth is giant, but it actually rotates very slowly, taking a full 24 hours just to spin around once. Because a bathtub is tiny, the Earth's spinning force is practically non-existent in your bathroom, making it about 10 million times weaker than gravity. Compared to the massive wave you made when you stood up to grab your towel, the Earth's rotation has absolutely zero power. If you want your bath to spin the other way, you do not need to fly to Australia, you just have to swirl your hand in the opposite direction. In fact, you can test this like a real scientist. Next time a strong whirlpool forms, stick a plastic cup or your hand into the water and give it a massive shake the other way. The old tornado will collapse into a messy puddle, and a brand new one will pop up, spinning the opposite way, because the water always obeys the strongest splash. Before we let this episode drain away completely, it's time for the ultimate Curious Kidcast pop quiz to see if your brain was absorbing knowledge, or if it was just daydreaming about bubbles. Question 1. What is the scientific name for the figure skater trick that makes the water spin faster as it gets closer to the drain? Is it A, the sloppy soap slide, B, the conservation of angular momentum, or C, the whirlpool wiggle? The correct answer is B, the conservation of angular momentum, which is your universe given right to spin incredibly fast when you get squeezed. Question 2. Why is there a hollow tube of empty air right in the middle of the bathtub tornado? Is it A, because centrifugal force flings the water outward, away from the center, B, because a ghost is breathing through a straw, or C, because the water is afraid of the dark pipes? The correct answer is A. Centrifugal force pushes the water outward, leaving a perfect tunnel for air to rush down. Question 3. If you travel from New York to Australia, will your bathtub automatically start spinning the opposite way because of the Earth's rotation? Is it A. Yes, immediately, B. No, because the Earth is too slow and your tub is too small, or C. Only if you take a bath upside down? The correct answer is B. The Earth has no power over your plumbing, so your bathtub tornado just follows your own splashes and the shape of your tub. That is all for today's watery adventure on the Curious Kidcast. Thank you so much to Morgan for inspiring this episode, and remember to check out CuriousKidcast.com to submit your own wild questions. Keep being curious, wash behind your ears, and try not to get sucked down the drain.